All right, here's the next adventure. So this was a little thing that I built for a little ASV skid steer. Worked out really well, but I'm kind of speechless on how well they destroyed this thing. They smashed the ever-loving crap out of it. Now it is a light-duty plow on a tiny skid steer, but still, oh my goodness. Anyway, our job is to fix this. So we're gonna go ahead and make it all right, make it function again. Which, yeah, I'm gonna be redoing a whole bunch of crap. Anyway, let's get into this. All right, well, I have my work cut out for me. Not only is all that destroyed, but yeah, so new cylinder too. So yeah, let's cut this apart. All right, we got all the crap cut out. We got her mostly straight. Let's start reconstructing this thing. Ta-da! That's way more gooder. So went ahead and got this welded back in. I changed this gusset. I actually brought it all the way out to the end instead of just being like this. I added a gusset here, got all that material back in, and I added some doublers on the front right on those pivot points. So try to minimize this in the future. So yeah, let's paint some pretty red stuff on this. All right, so I got all that done, and I also added a little bit of a overstop protection. So that way it doesn't just bend it to crap out there. It actually has something stopping the wing out on the outer edge. So yeah, gonna go ahead and get that. I'll pop a new cylinder on her and then she's done. All right, there we go. Got her all back together. New cylinder, all pinned in and good to go. And ooh, aw. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and paint this when it's done.